I think overall it is a good opportunity to introduce you to the university, but it also is a really good opportunity to introduce you to, working with clients, more like hands-on, like job experience, what you would see later on out in the field. Working with professors, teammates, like all of those play some role in like your future job down the road, and that was really a nice introduction for that.
So any student can really benefit. I feel like if people are trying to be civically engaged within the community, they should definitely take on this course, just because we do work a lot with the community, as of like going to like city planning meetings and talking to people who are actually contributing to the community and making these changes occur. So anyone can benefit, specifically people who love the environment, people who love talking to people who are interested in making a change.
I mean, really anyone would benefit from this class. It's anyone who has to use critical thinking at any point in their life, which is, everyone, as well as really anyone who's going into the business environment, sort of working with people through different forms of media, learning how to do, stuff like this. Really, it applies to all students.
Overall, it was a great opportunity, to say the least. It was straightforward, it was very challenging, but it pushes you in a direction that I don't think any other class has ever done for me. So that definitely alone says a lot about the Community Sustainability Workshop.
I enjoyed this workshop a lot. It's beyond your typical classroom setting where students are just sitting down taking notes and there's a teacher lecturing. It's where students get hands-on experience and students are able to learn by themselves and create their own ideas. Students are able to interact with people from the city, and just like it's their own, I feel like it's students teaching themselves, and so it's definitely a different perspective on a classroom.
So the best part of the workshop that worked particularly well was the fact that it was like a real solution, like a real problem. Once you put a real problem in front of us, like it really is sort of like, oh, we actually need to do something here, and that really changes the whole dynamic of like, oh, this is a hypothetical situation. How would you do this? Instead, it was like, oh, these are real professionals. This is like a real community, and they actually like need a solution of some kind. So it was cool to like really get involved and like feel like an actual part of something.
Probably the thing that meant the most to me as a student was the fact that I liked all of the work and stuff that we did relating to the project. So putting together the presentations, putting together our final project that we had at the end of the semester. It gave me a lot of insight on, how to use different resources, what could be applied. Definitely helped me communicate both with you guys talking about different things and with my clients as well. So it just all really kind of rolled together nicely, to say the least. So.